You know what, guys? Proverbs are an important part of Jamaica's culture and our folk tradition. It's used in our everyday conversations. They serve an educational as well as a social function. They're used to teach, inspire, caution, help us to build courage. Miss Lucy is our philosophies, Proverbs.
So many of Jamaica's proverbs show parallels with those of the two main sources from which they originate, the Asante culture of West Africa and the European influences, they say. However, many of our proverbs are purely Jamaican in origin. Okay.
Well, our task this morning will be to help translate some of these proverbs. As I said to Neville, sometimes the situation dictate the translation of the proverb, but let's see how it goes.
Some of them I think I can manage, some I can't. The first one I can't. Peacock hide him foot when him hear about him tail. What that mean? Me don't know that one. First me hear that.
First I'm hearing it myself. I'm gonna fathom my guess. Because the tail is so pretty. I guess when him see him foot in comparison to how the tail steer.
Him hide him foot.
Because that's the best. He wants you to see the best part of him. So I don't know that. I'm trying. I don't know if that makes sense.
I don't know that one. We came live from Hanover, Lucy.
Yes.
A proud person does not like his little weaknesses exposed. So Delia was perfectly right. So we came live from Lucy. I can't remember where we stayed, but I come out in the morning to go to Smile. So this is like 4 o'clock. And as I walk out, I just see this thing go like that. Well, left, right. I mean, this is the door, and the ledge is where Delia is, and the peacock was sitting there. But I don't even know that peacock is out. When you see as I open the door, I just see the thing start. You know, we run go back inside. I'm serious. We run go back inside, and then we kind of go to have a peep outside. And I say, oh, it's a peacock. I'm right. You see Melissa again, them said Delia and I will try to work it out. And the Melissa don't give her 1 point for which.
We're working together this morning, Mel. We're working
I will
together.
Take my licks. Dog no hole if him a bone. So I guess if him have food, him is quite fine. Him not have to worry about nothing. So I guess. No so?
That sounds pretty right to me.
Well, there you go.
That sounds pretty right to me.
So? We could see it, no?
Yeah, man, if him have it, yeah.
The dog is an animal is very fond of bones. It must like to appear miserable. Yeah, similarly, people do not become upset or agitated. They are comfortable. It's also difficult for some persons to lobby against issues which do not directly concern them. Yeah, maybe kind of...
Very right.
Yeah,
very right.
But I know Melissa and I will put up one fire. Because she'll probably just give Daily another one, 2 days.
Give him very right.
Third one?
All fire tick easy for catch.
That one, they're easy, man.
Yes.
That one, they're easy.
Yes.
So like how we were together.
Yeah.
No, hold on, no. Listen to what I... No, if I finished it, I said like how we were together later on, or long ago, it's easy for us to get back together. No, sir? I'm just giving you a hypothetical here. I am just giving you a hypothetical. You know what I'm going? You can go on.
The past tense lick me a while ago.
No, it was, you see, because you never hear the fullness of the explanation.
Clive, no, last week we in here, and Pani.
All right, Sheffield.
And
no,
yes,
Sheffield, shut up
but that last week at the word Sheffield.
Shut up.
Last week at the word.
Sheffield said things can change in a week.
Last week at the word. One person in your vex like me, Lisa. Lisa not laugh. Lisa said whenever just say a while ago.
Laugh at everything.
Lisa said word.
No. You never listen
collectively,
to
the viewers.
You did not listen to the fullness
viewers,
of the
collectively. Every Spanish Town, Sheffield, Marvin, Clive all said word one time.
Shut up.
It's
long run, short catch. Explain that. Long run, short catch. You see, they are run from a long time and we catch.
You see that? You see? Long run, short catch.
Explain now.
And that catch him a while ago, you know.
Me say, it may take a long while, but that point.
You're gonna be caught. You're gonna be caught.
And I explain it to you, and I say, you see how long you run and me catch you. So it's not a problem. It's not a problem. This one is it. Passing Christy Moon pick me first.
Yes.
Yeah, so.
Yes.
Usually, you will look after who's very close to you before you look after
anybody else.
Out the road.
Yeah.
Yep. This one,
Sheffield,
no.
they're this morning.
I never look up a while ago when him say it. Nanny goat never scratching back till him see the wall. Because the wall him really used to scratching back, no?
Right.
But if him don't see the wall, him have to scratch it himself.
Well, him can't scratch it, so he's going to keep on bearing whatever it is until him find a way out, or until him see another way to deal with the problems that him have. Yeah, now wait upon the opportunity.
There you go. Chicken Mary Hawk then here. What that?
Spanish Town.
Yeah.
Yesterday.
Yeah.
Very happy.
Yeah.
But Sheffield is back today.
Him not so happy. so hold on, no? From what you from what you
Jamaica
said.
people would have said when you think it's peace and safety is sudden destruction.
Hold on, no? So from what you just said, Spanish Town is the chicken.
Yes.
And the Great Sheffield is the hawk.
Yes, yes, yes. You're oblivious. You're happy with everything I want, but you don't know danger is lurking. That's
there
right.
There you go. There you go.
Chicken Mary Hawk then here.
Yeah. Cock mouth kill cock.
That again. Let's revert to old fire tick, easy for catch, and Neville's explanation.
My hypothetical. So we're gonna put up the explanation.
No explanation necessary.
Yes, don't show off yourself.
Yeah. You shake man hand, but you not shake him heart.
That me not understand.
So you can be cordial to somebody. You can be professional towards somebody. So hey, but that doesn't mean that me necessarily love you, like you, care for you, me and you close.
I never know that one.
So we can shake hand, but me and you not. But but that don't mean me and you close.
Yeah, maybe say you can get her 9 for that one.
Yeah.
You're perfectly right. It is impossible to detect what a person has in his mind toward you through
physical contact. Yeah.
Contact. Do not, therefore, take people, their opinions or their feelings for granted. Never know that one there.
Finger never say, look here. Always say, look yonder.
Yeah, man. Look by yourself first before you start. Look at them say, if you live in a glass house,
don't throw a stone.
Yeah, so.
And like I like to say, which play did I say it in? If you live in a board house, don't throw a fire.
Yeah, right, how about yeah, there you go. People don't look at themselves before them start judge everybody and curse everybody and stuff. So Melissa put up daily and never tell me. Melissa,
yes.
we done with you from a long time.
10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10.
We done with you from a long time. All right, take a break, folks. More on Smile when we come back. We'll be talking to a married couple who've transformed